Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get recycle bin in the system tray of Taskbar in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, you can see here I have a recycle bin on my desktop screen. So we don't have such option to add this recycle bin in the system tray of Taskbar. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you will see here download option. Just click on this download now. Now just select the server for download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open this extracted folder. Just double click this software installer. Click on next, click on I agree, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. And now just click on this arrow icon. And you can see one icon named as mini bin has been appearing here on the system tray of Taskbar. So on pressing the mouse cursor, it will show the file size, as you can see right now on the above, the file size that is present inside this recycle bin. And if you right mouse click on it, you'll see a option like open. So if you click on open, it will open the recycle bin, and if you click on empty, then it will empty the recycle bin, that is delete all the files present in the recycle bin. And the next is configure. So under the configure, you can get a tons of option like icon, double click, actions, what you want to do, whether open or empty, system integrations. So you can see tons of options. Sense icons, you can select depending upon needs, the various icons depending upon your needs. And the last one is about the software here. So you can enable this confirm recycling also. If you don't want to directly delete it while you are double left clicking on it, then you can just select this confirm recycling, and you can customize the double click also, whether to open or whether to empty. So now let me show you. Let me open the recycle bin. So now you can see a tons of files, right? So using this mini bin, I can easily empty or delete all the files present in the recycle bin. So what I need to do is just double left click on your computer mouse. So now you can see all the files present in the recycle bin has been emptied. So by using this method, you can get recycle bin in the system tray of Taskbar in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.